Honestly, it's one of the most fun and hands-on experiences you will find in the school, in my opinion.
I like being in the double auto class because one thing we get to go to Fleming and learn how to weld. Another thing is just like even if this isn't like the path that I reckon like that you want to take in life, I recommend it to like anyone to even take like a small engines class or something, just because it's life skills that you need because if you have to like even like do brakes or something or check something in your driveway or whatever, sometimes you can't always some dealerships you have to drive maybe an hour, half an hour or whatever. Sometimes you don't want to do that, and if you can like do it and you have some knowledge and you can do it yourself, it's like a really good skill to have. And like there's a lot of things too about this course, like that certification stuff that we do, like that you can have in your hip pocket for the rest of your life, for as like if an employer that's something that can put you ahead of the competition. That's just a couple reasons like why this class is just great.
You can make these amazing intarsia projects. They look amazing, and Mr. Chislett teaches you step by step, and you get to make stools, furniture, and even country shelves. And it's a very fun class, as you can see. You can make lots of things and build lots of things. And Mr. Chislett's an amazing teacher, and he tells you everything, every step of the way, and he helps you.
Anytime. Well, I kind of like the fact that we're helping out the community with all the caterings and stuff that we do, and people seem to love the stuff that we cook and everything like that. We're doing a dual credit this time, so we've been getting a lot more of the caterings and everything like that, and it's pretty.
Okay, I like Mr. Pulley's class because it gives me a chance to learn new things, how to cook better. I met many new friends too, and it's just a wonderful class, and I enjoy it very much.